if you are watching this video, it means you are trying to synchronize your video with your audio in CapCut or Premiere Pro, and I'll be teaching you. It's very easy and simple. But before I continue, if I will start from Premiere Pro, so if you are using CapCut, it means you have to skip the beginning of the video, or if you want to watch the video, you can also watch the beginning, and when it gets to CapCut, you can also enjoy it. First of all, what you have to do is to import your video and the audio you want to synchronize with. So I've already done it. For the sake of time, I've already done it. So let's get straight to it. First, you have to select all. If you don't know, you can also use the shortcut, which is Ctrl+A, to select everything. After selecting everything, all you have to do is to right click on it. Yeah, make sure you right click on the video or audio whilst you've selected everything. Now you can, as you can see, there's synchronize. Yeah, there's synchronize here. So all you have to do is click on the synchronize, and audio. Yeah, you can use the clip start or maybe clip end, but per how your video or your audio is, if you use that one and you are not professional, you might not be able to do it. So use with audio, then wait for a while. It won't take much time, so you wait for a while and boom, it has been synchronized. So when you play it, this is what you get. It has been synchronized. And if you want to delete the audio from the video, maybe you don't want the sound to come in, so you want to delete it, all you have to do is to click on Alt, then you click on the video, the audio under the video. You know, when you upload in Premiere Pro, it comes with the video and the audio in that video. So you click on the Alt, then you select it, so it will separate the audio from the video. That is how it will be. Then you click on delete. Click on delete. So now I've deleted it. Now it's left with the video and the audio I synchronized with, and this is how you do it in Premiere Pro. Now let's get straight to CapCut. Yeah, and with CapCut, as you can see, I've already imported my video and I'm about to do it. It's also simple. It's similar to Premiere Pro. You know, all these softwares are almost similar when you are using it. So let's get straight to it. Now you select everything. And also you can use the Ctrl+A to select everything. You right click on it and synchronize video and audio. Now boom, it has been synchronized. So this is how you synchronize your video and audio. And with CapCut, if you want to turn the audio on off from the video, this is how you do it. You go to video, you have audio, speed and animation. You can just go to audio, then the volume, you reduce it to 0. Yeah, negative. So when you reduce it, it means the sound or the audio in the video will not come in, so it will be left with the video and the audio you synchronized with. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel, like the video and drop a comment on the next video I should do for you. My name is Jay and this is Embo Studios.